I'll be honest. Your loving they totally me. I am so obsessed. I want to chop your body.